everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. I'm so excited for today's video because when I saw Inside Cosmetic launching a new product, that too a lip oil, I got super duper excited and placed my order on the launch day itself. I received my order the next day. I have been trying it for a few days and have my thoughts ready. So if you guys are interested to know my take on these lip oil, then all you have to do is stay tuned till the end of this video. Lip oils are definitely capturing the Indian market, and I was waiting Inside Cosmetics to launch their own version of lip oil. Finally, they did, and I have picked up two shades for myself. It comes in total of 6 shades for the price of rupees 240 each, wherein you get 4.5 grams of product and also you get 3 years of shelf life. As you already know, Inside Cosmetics is 100% vegan, toxic free, dermatologically tested. It is also a cruelty free and a paraben free brand. So let me just show you the packaging. This is how it looks like. The outer packaging comes in color coordinated to the inner packaging, and as you can see, it's mentioned peptide infused lip oil. It has also got tripeptides in it, and it gives you an illusion of smoother and plumper lips with anti-wrinkle effect. And also it is infused with hyaluronic acid and squalene to hydrate and plump your lips. And also it has ginger seed oil that will calm and smoothen your lips from further dryness. And the shade that I picked up for myself is 03 Mystic Mulberry and 05 Rose Luster. Now I picked up these two shades keeping in mind my brown skin and the brown skin genre. So I hope these two shades will be helpful for you if you are trying to pick these up. So now let's have a look at the inner packaging. As I've said that the inner packaging comes in color coordination to the outer packaging. Look at it, how beautiful it looks. No one can say that this is an inexpensive brand, and it gives a really high-end kind of vibes. I really love the overall packaging. I even like the doe foot applicator because it comes a bit slanted and is also flexible and hugs the right nooks and corners of the lips. This was all about the packaging. Now let me give you my thoughts, what I felt while using these lip oils. So basically these are your tinted lip oils and not your regular pH activated lip oils. The formulation is very smooth. It just goes on like butter, and when you initially apply it, you will get that cooling moist kind of sensation, though it does not give you any kind of tingling sensation whatsoever. I haven't experienced any. It gives you a sheer color payoff, and if you have dark pigmented lips like me, you definitely have to build it up couple of times to make it more intense. Because today before starting my makeup, I went with couple of layers, and after I completed my entire makeup, I went with another 2 layer because why not? This is a lip oil and it is not going to harm my lips in any ways. Now because it is infused or it has peptides and tripeptides, so peptides will make sure that the dryness or any kind of chappiness is repaired, and tripeptides will give you an illusion of fuller and firmer lips. The formula is absolutely lightweight and non-sticky. It does not feel clumpy or gooey in any means, and it is very hydrating, moisturizing as well as nourishing. Even if the glossiness wears off, you can still feel that your lips is nourished and it is well moisturized. Now when I tried this lip oil for the first time, I'm not even exaggerating you guys, in first use itself I could see a lot of difference. Like I was going through dry and chapped lips, and when I went with 2 to 3 layers of this tinted lip oil, the next morning I saw that my lips was well moisturized. It felt baby soft and smooth, and the chappiness and the dryness was almost gone. It applies evenly without giving you any kind of patchiness, and the tint that you get is even toned. Nowhere you will find that there is uneven tint or patchiness in any ways. The tint is long wearing unless you are eating or drinking anything. Once you are having your meal, it will definitely come off, but you can totally retouch up whenever you want to because it is absolutely easy and convenient to use. This kind of formula I feel is perfect for your everyday wear because it is not too overly glossy or not too overly lip oily kind of effect. It gives you a very subtle kind of sheen or gloss which you can manage. So if you are someone who loves to use this kind of lip oils for your everyday wear, or even if you're going to college, you can opt for this kind of formulation because when you go out it will not attract too much of dirt and dust. Also, I need to mention one important point that while I was using this lip oils, I experienced that I have already used this kind of formulation in the past, and I was thinking which brand did I try it that has got this kind of formulation, and suddenly I pulled up this Mars lip mist. Now let me tell you, Mars has a little bit of more color payoff than Inside Cosmetics, but the formulation when you feel it feels absolutely same. So I can say that it is bit more lightweight than your regular lip oils. I definitely agree the fact that it gives you anti-wrinkly kind of effect, makes your lips look fuller and plumper without giving you any kind of burning or discomfort, and also it did not settle in my lip lines, which is a great thing. And now, if you ask me whether I would like to recommend it or not, definitely yes, because Inside Cosmetics has nailed with the formulation and with their new launch, and this product gets a total thumbs up from my end. I would love to recommend it to all of you. And now, let's move on to the swatches. I'll give you the swatch with and without makeup so that you can have a fair idea how these both shades looks in itself. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.